fun little company. So what do you think?
Jackie, if you want to win, that dress is to be a lot shorter. Give two best.
Okay, Jackie, let's get to work.
Well, Michael, we've already done a lot. I mean, I decided on this dress, and Fez is going to do my hair.
All right, but I'm going to tell you something, Jackie. I've seen pictures of his people, and they are pretty.
Buy me, pageant boy.
Coach. All right, fine. Guess we could use the help. Fez, you can handle Jackie's body, and I'll take care of her mind.
So Jackie doesn't want to go scholarship or something?
Who cares? College is for ugly girls that can't get modeling contracts.
No. Women who don't want to marry the first idiot they meet means I was faster and more on children.
When you were cleaning up downstairs, you didn't happen to come across $60, did you?
Oh, Eric, did you lose your Candyland cash?
Does everyone know where I keep my money?